The new Olympus OM-D E-M1X has some great video features. In this video I will go through those features. Hi there, I'm Peter Forsgård, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. And before we get into the video features of the new OM-D, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified when there is a new video online. My channel is all about you getting to be a better photographer. And I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. In this second video, in the video series about the OM-D E-M1X, I will go through the video features. The first video was all about photographic features and my first impression on the new camera. And thanks Olympus Finland for letting me test the new camera before it was released. Olympus Finland does not tell me what videos I should do, and they do not pay me to make these videos. I mostly try to make videos that interest you, my subscribers. The camera that I tested said sample on it, and the firmware was B0. The three main differences from the Olympus OM-D E-M1 Mark II are: the X version has OM log 400, slow motion in Full HD, and the ability to adjust the stabilizer. The log mode in this camera is called OM log 400, and the lowest ISO you can use is 400 ISO. In order to have this and the flat mode in use for video, go to the video menu and turn on the picture profile. Then you have the option to choose between flat mode or the OM log 400. The OM log 400 is a bit flatter than the flat mode. So with the log mode it's easier to color grade so that the images from different cameras look the same. I think this is a very good addition, and it makes this Olympus camera even better in video. The second good improvement is that it can shoot slow motion, 125 frames per second in Full HD. And from the menu you can choose which frame rate you want to have the playback in. So you can choose from 24p, 25p, 30p or 50p or 60p. With 25p playback and shooting with 120 frames per second, you can get a really nice and smooth slow motion. It's a good addition to the features. The third thing is the ability to adjust the stabilizer. You can adjust the sensitivity of the stabilizer from the menu. I think this is also a good addition to the features. We all have a different way of holding the camera and different way of shooting, and this way we can adjust the stabilizer to match our own way of making images, or making video in this case. And there is actually more. The fourth thing is the massively improved autofocus. Janne Amunet, a Olympus visionary and a Finnish filmmaker, said, and I quote, "E-M1X is at the moment the only camera in the market I would trust on AF when making a movie." That is a quite bold statement, but Janne is a very experienced filmmaker and I believe him. The thing that is missing is 4K 60 frames per second, and that's a bit disappointment. I think it should have been included. Of course the slow motion in 120 frames per second in Full HD makes up a bit, but still I think they should have put the 4K 60 frames per second in this, because it is a great for video also, and that would have really added to the specs of this camera. The other specifications in movie mode are about the same as E-M1 Mark II. The Ultra HD has frame rates 24, 25 and 30. The Cinema 4K has 24. In Full HD high speed you can choose the playback speed from 24 to 60 frames per second, as I already mentioned. The technical quality of the video is about the same as the E-M1 Mark II, but the ability to adjust the stabilizer, the log mode and the improved autofocus makes this a lot better video camera. And of course E-M1X can be used with external recorders via HDMI output. It gives a clean output. As an extra accessory there is a cable protector and cable clip. These are very good because this protects the micro HDMI from breaking if the cable is twisted. It also protects it coming off during recording. This was the second video about the Olympus OM-D E-M1X. And in the third video I will be talking about the differences between the X and the Mark II version of the E-M1 camera. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.